Want to have your first conversation in Spanish? Today I'm teaching you exactly how to start, continue, and end a basic conversation in Spanish. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to chat with native speakers. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about greetings. The most common greeting is hola, which means hello, but you can be more specific based on time of day. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. For afternoon, use Buenas tardes. This works from noon until evening, around 6 or 7 p.m. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And for evening and night, use Buenas noches. This is both good evening and good night. Good evening. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Now, after greeting, introduce yourself. The simplest way is me llamo, which means my name is. My name is Maria. Me llamo Maria. Me llamo Maria. Next, ask their name. Use ¿Cómo te llamas for informal situations, or ¿Cómo se llama for formal. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Dónde te llamas? A great follow-up question is, where are you from? This keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? To answer, say, soy de plus your country or city. Very simple and useful. I'm from the United States. Soy de Estados Unidos. Soy de Estados Unidos. Now let's talk about the classic how are you. In Spanish, this is ¿Cómo estás? For informal, or ¿Cómo está? For formal. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? The most common response is Estoy bien, which means I'm good or I'm fine. Add gracias to be polite. I'm good, thanks. Estoy bien, gracias. Estoy bien, gracias. Here's a super important phrase, y tú. This means and you, and it keeps the conversation going by bouncing the question back. I'm good, thanks. And you? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Want to say nice to meet you? Use mucho gusto or encantado. Both are friendly and polite. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. If you didn't understand something, don't panic. Just say, no entiendo, which means I don't understand. I don't understand. No. Entiendo. You can also ask them to repeat with ¿Puedes repetir?, which means can you repeat? Can you repeat, please? ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Or ask them to speak slower with habla más despacio, which means speak more slowly. Speak more slowly, please. Habla más despacio, por favor. Habla más despacio, por favor. When it's time to leave, you can say, tengo que irme, which means I have to go. I have to go. Tengo que irme. Tengo que irme. To say goodbye, the most common is adiós. But you can also use hasta luego, which means see you later. See you later. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Or use hasta pronto for see you soon. Very friendly and casual. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. There you have it, a complete basic conversation in Spanish from start to finish. Practice these phrases and you'll be ready for real conversations. Which phrase will you practice first? Subscribe for more practical Spanish lessons. Thanks for watching. No entiendo. You can also ask them to repeat with puedes repetir, which means can you repeat? Can you repeat, please? ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Or ask them to speak slower with habla más despacio, which means speak more slowly. Speak more slowly, please. Habla más despacio, por favor. Habla más despacio, por favor. When it's time to leave, you can say, tengo que irme, which means I have to go. I have to go. Tengo que irme. Tengo que irme. To say goodbye, the most common is adiós, but you can also use hasta luego, which means see you later. See you later. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Or use hasta pronto for see you soon. Very friendly and casual. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. There you have it, a complete basic conversation in Spanish from start to finish. Practice these phrases and you'll be ready for real conversations. Which phrase will you practice first? Comment below. Subscribe for more practical Spanish lessons. Thanks for watching.